Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 31st, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian, I think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still think it is going to make a lower high, like it's not going to make it up to here, and maybe it will make just another double top type pattern and then end up continuing back down. So let's take a closer look on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm not really convinced that this is over. I think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, and it needs to make at least a 4 and a 5 to finish off this trend before we potentially do make a bigger move to the downside. So I am still very, very bullish on the US dollar CAD. Going down to the daily is where you can start to make out these trends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be a 1. ABC down looks like it should be a 2. If this really is a wave 3, then it is honestly way too small to be the complete wave 3, which means it probably is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows to complete that wave 3 pattern like I was showing on the higher time frames. Now, we do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar, and that is definitely going to affect these Canadian US dollar Canadian pairs. So I am for sure looking for longs right now. Honestly, if it does break structure to the downside, that's actually good because that will give me a better long and more confident long entry for the continuation of this uptrend. I am for sure looking for pullbacks right now. I'm looking for pullbacks on these shorter time frames, especially if they are three-way pullbacks to go long for what I think is most likely a wave 3 of wave 5 on the much longer time frames. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. So I am for sure looking for three-way pullbacks, and so I have my Fibonacci on here. Right now it does kind of resemble an A, a B, and a C. So, if we do get an impulsive engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely take that as a long entry for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, I would be a little cautious because I do think that there is a good chance that it will make a bigger correction. So, I definitely wouldn't go long unless I saw a nice big engulfing move to the upside, because I think this actually could turn into a bigger correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Probably go down and take out these lows, then break structure to the upside, continuing that wave 3 of wave 5. And like I said, we do have interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar. That is for sure going to be a big mover for all the US dollar pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.